This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 37.4 is a Class A RV. It is located in Katy, Texas, 77494 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Katy. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a Studio Collection Villa, Studio Collection Pantera interior, sleeps 7, Slideout, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 37.4 is built on a Freightliner XC-S Straight Rail chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.